Hey guys, so I'm here because I don't know why I'm here. Take two. Take three. So, something just arrived from FedEx today. I was expecting it tomorrow because that's what their tracking number says. It was in a totally different province, but it's here. It's here. Oh my god, look at the size of this thing. I don't want to show the other side because it has my info. It's huge. It can barely fit. This is one of the prizes that Pause Studio. I know that Aurora and her management partnered with Pause Studios. They're a company that makes prints based on the music video, and it's guaranteed to be a one-off from what I know. Prizes though, these are signed, and I already saw a couple of people who already received theirs. I never expected it because I'm in the Philippines, guys. It takes a while for things to come here. It only took 3 days. Let's do this live unboxing thing. So this is supposed to be from the Runaway video, the music video. So it's one of the shots there. Maeva and I, choosing some shots that possible that we could have gotten, and I chose some, and I have no idea. Excited to know if I got it correct. But really, any shot from that video is already gold. Okay. Okay. Let's open. Open. Oh, why is it not open? Oh, over there. Open. Okay. What's here? I have to open this carefully. So, oh, it's done. There's another one inside. So this is the real packaging from Pause. So you can see it does say Pause, and it's packed neatly so that it doesn't get damaged, because this is one of the unframed A3 prints. So this is how you open it. So it says here, tear here. So okay, let's do this. I'm quite clumsy, but I hope I'll be able to open this with care. Okay, and then let's find out together. Oh my god, it's signed. Oh my god, it's signed. And look, her signature. This is it. You can see it's her signature, and she has a little note that says thank you for existing. Oh my gosh, like I don't think she really signs a lot with quotes and phrases, but thank you so much, Aurora. And there's a scan me here. There's a QR code here. So let's take it out carefully. And then let's see. Oh my god. Okay, so whoops, wait. There of course there's like a cover for protection of the print, and or maybe I won't look at the print first because I'll look what's on the other side. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's wait. I'm trying to decipher the scene, but it's the one in the woods, and it's her lying down, and another sign there, and this says the certificate of authenticity there, and it's like only one shot here. So it says it's the frame 628 and taken from custom graded 4K ProRes 422 version of the 2015 Runaway video by Aurora. And we have the directors, of course, Kenny McCracken, and the cinematographer, Jonathan Nicol. Focus puller is Richard Osborne. Thank you guys for making that Runaway video. And just a tidbit is that's the song that introduced me to Aurora right after the Into the Unknown features. And then here it says Zoe Glass at Pause Studio. There's an aura of science fiction in this music video, the kind that you can't put your finger on but still feels palpably there. Much like the aesthetic and concepts across all her work, there's a sense of otherworldly, and that captures perfectly the music video. I don't know if you can hear, but I think it's raining. That's the rain that you can hear. Oh my gosh. It's printed on the I have no idea how to pronounce this. Gicle with an accent E. So Gicle technique on heavyweight 100% cotton archival paper with a super matte finish. The paper is made by Hanemul, one of the world's most prestigious mills, Found in 1584. Guys, this is a treasure. Yeah, it's not just printed on any paper and in any printer by one guy, one family, one company that's been there since the 1500s. It's like, you know, it's supposed to be in a museum. So in my house, I have to find a place where I'm gonna put this because it's quite big. So now let us open this for ourselves. Oh my god! Oh my god! Look! Ah! Oh my god! I'm getting goosebumps. Oh my god, this is not, if you can hear also, those are my birds. They're quite excited with me as well. So yeah, this is not one of the stills that Maeva and I have, you know, we were looking at. Actually going over our convo, this is the zoomed out version of what Maeva wanted. I'm sorry if the birds are they're really quite excited. That's why they're also very loud. Oh my god, this is perfect scenery with Aurora lying there. It's also amazing because it is definitely like a painting, like a scene painting. And you can see her. Oh my god! And there's also her signature there. So she signed everything that's possible on this. Yeah, my gosh. So it does say it's 628, frame 628. Yeah, and edition 1 of 1, so only one. So I guess I have to frame this, but oh my god, yay! So I hope you like this unboxing. I will be posting this. Find a place where I can hang this. So see ya.